Hi, this is Rory Singh from thepowerhousemarketer.com. Today I'm going to do a quick review of markettrip.co. Before I get started with this markettrip.co, I just want to let you know I'm not an affiliate. I was asked to do this review by one of my viewers. I have a review channel, and what you're going to find out in this review is it a legitimate opportunity that can help you make passive return through trading of crypto, forex, and even stocks and bonds, etc. Can you earn a passive ROI legitimately, or is this just another scam set up to, get your money? That's what you're going to find out here. If this is your first time on this channel, find the big red button, subscribe, and even click on the bell notification icon. That way, every single time I go live with new, relevant and important information and updates, you'll be one of the very first people to get access to this freshly created content. Also, if you're looking for a legitimate way to make money online, powerful opportunity underneath this video, my number one recommended platform, company, and system. You can get access to this after you watch this video. Underneath this video, first link in the description, you can just go down there and click on it. What it is an educational platform that can teach you how to become a marketer. If you are a network marketer or whether you're an affiliate marketer, it can teach you how to generate your own traffic online, how to build your business online, how to get people to click on your links. A lot of people don't know how to do that. They join affiliate marketing stuff or even network marketing deals, and they still have an affiliate link, and they're trying to get people to join their deal, take out their credit card and join you and all that stuff. How to build credibility, how to build sales funnels, or even utilize the sales funnels that we have already pre-built. How to build influence and brand, right? People are actively looking for leaders in this industry of affiliate marketing as well as network marketing. So what you need to understand is people don't just join platforms, they join people first, meaning leaders. So if you can learn how to position yourself as a leader, then you could make a lot of money for yourself. And our platform, lower below underneath this video, first link, we can help you do just that. How to set up your business, how to scale it up, and how to, create change for yourself if you're willing to follow through. We also have a very lucrative compensation plan if you decide to join us just to make money with us, and it pays between 40 to 60% commissions on highly commissionable products. We even have a big ticket product and compensation plan, and it's 100% legit, set up with the laws of the Federal Trades Commission, and it's an awesome opportunity. You can take a look at that after you watch this video. Okay, so let's get right into it. MarketTrip.co review by non-affiliate, by a guy who does reviews every single day. I've been doing them for years. And please like and share this video, especially if you get value from it. Okay. So I'm on the main website here. I'm seeing Tesla, Amazon, Google, Alibaba.com, Airbnb. Okay. It looks like they're trying to pretend that they're affiliated with these. It looks like they just took the logos of these companies here. They're not affiliated with Amazon or Google. This is a fairly new platform. It's been around for about a year now, based on the domain here. And you know what I should do? I should see in Alexa.com, see if they're actually getting traffic to it. Market Trip. Just bear with me for 1 second. Being around for a year, if they're truly established, then they should be showing audience geography. All visitors in the site in the past, no results. Not enough traffic to trigger a search in Alexa for whatever reason. So I don't think they're getting that much traffic. Okay. So they've been around for a year. At least the website was created for a year, and I can't get enough information. I don't want to spend too long in this. I just want to do a basic review here. So let's just keep going here. Now the About Us section, company profile. Let's see who they are. I checked this out before. I spent a little while on this before I actually turned my camera screen recorder on to do a review with you guys here to save some time. They're not saying who they are. They're just talking about partners and at Market Trip and what they're promising for you, but they're not saying who they are. I'm not seeing an address. So what you're dealing with here is a case of anonymous ownership. Now I'm going to look for an address in the contact us section. No, They just have a phone number. Okay. I tried that phone number about an hour ago and it was just ringing out. Okay, I will try it later on, and if I get anyone on the phone, I'll do an update video. Now, let's see the products that they have. Okay, they have a mobile trader and a web trader, so you have access to trading activity, right? Through a mobile trader on your phone or a web trader on your computer. Basic idea here. Let's look at the products that they have here. CFD markets have 24 hours, 5 days a week, around the clock, easy trading access. Commodities trading, same thing. So you've got they're giving you 4 different types of trading activity, it seems. Indices trading is about trading and investing in global investments markets. This type of trading is seen as a great way to diversify your portfolio. Okay, let's see the last one, stocks. Stock trading is a wonderful blah, blah, blah for beginners. They're talking about a lot of stuff, but I'm not seeing any solid proof of any evidence that they actually have any legitimate trading happening. That's the problem I'm seeing with these type of deals. Okay, let's look at the membership accounts that they have here. They have a basic for $250, and it seems to be one-time fee because I don't see any duration. Okay. I'm just going with what I'm seeing here. $250 for a basic account, and daily market review, video tutorials, trading signals, trading bonus, 0%, and then X'd out on the rest. Then they have a silver account for cost of $5,000. Daily market review, video tutorials, and ebooks, trading signals, trading bonus, up to 25%. Managed account, 1 check there, X'd out on everything else. Then you have gold account, cost of $15,000. Daily market review, video tutorials and ebooks, trading signals, trading bonus up to up to 50%. This is the gold. And a managed account, check for that. A check for financial plan, and a check for risk management plan, and so on and so forth. I don't want to get into all the little details here. We could be here forever. The URL is markettrip.co. You guys can go there and check it out for yourself. I'm not endorsing it. I'm just saying that's the domain. If you want more details for yourself, I always recommend you go out there and do your own due diligence and research. Platinum account, cost of $50,000, and it includes pretty well almost everything. Webinars and seminars, weekly on this one, monthly on the gold and silver. Trading bonus up to 100%. And then you have the diamond package, $100,000 is the cost. And you get weekly private analyst session for this one here. Complete access to webinars and seminars. Okay. VIP invitation only. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to guess here with that one. You'll have to get an invitation to become a member of the VIP, and the cost of that one is $250,000. Okay, so the idea that I'm seeing here is people are going to come here and purchase these accounts hoping that they can get set up, but the idea here is to make a passive return. Okay. You're setting up an account, you're going to have to set up wallets, you're going to be using an auto trader, and you're going to execute trades using the company's auto trader on different type of trades. But the whole idea here is to earn a passive ROI through this marketingtrip.co. Okay. The only thing I'm thinking about is the securities issue, because it is offering you a passive ROI, even if they're claiming. There was another company I just reviewed called Copy Pro Traders, the same idea. They were actually showing people, I couldn't verify that they're actually expert traders. There's another company called CashFX even, and they had a group of 4 traders going around, and they turned out to be not expert traders at all. They had one guy who's still at his limo driver job, and another guy was got construction engineer who's still at his job, and 2 other guys were still at their day jobs, and that was their expert trading team. So you got to be very careful with these type of online opportunities promising you a passive return. I'm not seeing any proof that they're registered anywhere to give you guys a passive ROI, even if the trading ROI, if you actually make any, gets deposited into your wallet, into your own external account. The idea here is you still have to go through markettrip.co to earn an ROI. So in truth, they would have to be registered as a security offering. I'm not seeing any proof that they're registered anywhere in the world with any securities like regulator like the SEC or the FCA. Hopefully you guys understand what a securities offering is. If you don't, you could just type that into Google. What is a securities? It's basically an opportunity to earn passive income, and it must be regulated by a government body anywhere that you invest from. So they have anti-money laundering policy. I went through these different things, but it's basically policing you guys. It's not, there's no anything that's policing these guys. That's a problem. Okay. Now let's go to the FAQ. About MarketTrip. What security do I have when trading with MarketTrip? MarketTrip works with many local banks. You can view a complete list of banks within your account area and choose whichever one is the best suited for you. That's, to me, is not any kind of security. A bank is not going to give you a security on a third-party platform system on the internet that doesn't have any owners, or the owners are anonymous. That doesn't make any sense to me. What security do you have? You can view a complete list of banks within your bank account area and choose whichever bank that you want to partner up with. What does that have to do with these trading experts? That's what I'm trying to figure out here. Usually you can take from your bank account and fund your wallets so that you can get access to these traders, but that is no security that there's no security that you have when trading with MarketTrip. How do they determine its pricing structure? MarketTrip works closely with major banks and financial institutions. Yeah, they're talking about that, but they're not showing any proof that they actually have any partnerships with any banks. What type of trading accounts? Classic, Gold, Platinum, VIP. Okay, I spoke about that. Let's see, deposit. What is the minimum transaction size? The minimum transaction size depends on the asset you trade. Okay, they have a forum you guys can get access to there. Will someone manage my investments? No, MarketTrip does not manage funds for its clients, and this may create a conflict of interest. In order to remain 100% impartial and always have our clients' profit and interest in mind, we do not manage funds. However, while you will be managing your own investments, you will be assigned to an experienced account manager to help you along the way. You can trade over the phone. Okay, I'm just looking for something specific here. Just bear with me for 1 sec. There's something I found before. Which payment methods can I use to deposit funds into my account? Credit, debit card. Right, debit card. That's what I was talking about the banks before. That I think they were changing the way that they were talking about how they can guarantee or secure, make you feel secure while trading with them. Fast wire transfer. Market Trip does not charge clients. Is there a deposit fee when they deposit funds into their accounts? However, we recommend you check with your bank or credit card. If a client deposits over $2,500, any transfer fees will be covered by Market Trip. I'm still not seeing the part there that said there was a section here. Where did it go? Safety of funds. I don't think it was that one. Let me check the risk disclosure. Trading leverage products such as CFDs cannot be suitable for all investors as they carry a high degree of risk. Before deciding to trade any such levered products, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. And if necessary, seek independent advice to fully understand the risk involved. The leveraged nature of CFD trading means that any market movement will have equal proportional effect on your deposited funds. Traders are also responsible for losses. You're responsible for your own losses. Okay, so you're not taking any liability on your risk. I did read, and I can't find it right now, and it's getting a little too long with this one review here, so I think we're going to close it off. I did see that they mentioned whatever funds that you deposit, it is a risk. Of course, it's always going to be a risk, especially with trading. But they're recommending that you're willing to lose whatever that you're willing to deposit. Okay, hopefully that makes sense to you. I think that's an important thing that I just said there. Okay, so let me get to a quick conclusion and verdict. Me personally, I don't recommend it. You know what? Let's just do a couple Trustpilot, and then I will get to that verdict as why I don't recommend it. Okay. I have a very big amount of money. This is just a Trustpilot review on Market Trip 5 days ago from Dave. Just 1 month into investment. Be careful, it's not what you think. Okay. Another one says scammers. I invested £216 on Friday, March 26th. On learning I had recently sold my property and equity. I invested. Long story short, I tried with £216. Here's my response. Blah, blah. I don't want to read all that. Okay, this is exactly why I didn't commit. You were a scam who prey on vulnerable people who you don't know what communication, trust, respect. Okay, another person's calling them scam. This one says satisfied. Mike, 7 days ago. (27th of March). You can get your money back from these scammers. Okay, I don't know about that one. Scam. If any positive reviews you read are fake. Okay. Not willing to give money back. So they seem to take your money but don't want to give it back, according to what these people are saying. Okay. So people are saying don't trust them. This guy's like, hey, anyway, they're using stock images here. So let me get to a conclusion, a verdict conclusion of markettrip.co. I don't recommend it. I don't know who the heck they are. There's no bio on them. There's no anyone. There's just pictures of, stock images here, right, that you can get off the internet. They've got names like big names: Tesla, Amazon, Google, Alibaba.com, Airbnb. I highly doubt that they have any affiliation with these big names on here. Now they have an auto trader and there's a lot of risk. Basically, you're going to set up an account here. You have different memberships, right? And they start off at $250 into some big money. Let me just big money here, 100,000. So $250 right up to $100,000. To me, that's a lot of risk. This is just from the membership, and then you're going to have to take your funds and fund the platform. So even more risk on top of that. So lots of risk and too many unknowns. Domain. So the websites have been around since January 30th. And for whatever reason, it's not triggering enough of a geo search on Alexa.com. That's kind of alarming. I'm wondering why. Are they not getting enough traffic into there? You would think that they were established and they have 57 sites that are sending traffic to this site. Okay. So those are the reasons that I don't recommend it. Anonymous ownership, no verifiable anything of their traders. There's no proof of any actual traders existing here, and there's no proof of any actual trading activity. Okay, the only thing that I'm seeing proof of is the amount the memberships are going to cost you, and then you're going to have to fund. You're going to have to fund your wallets, etc., and fund from your wallet to the auto trader. Okay, but the basic idea is you're going to take your credit card out or your debit card, and you're basically you're going to fund your markettrip.co account. Okay, so too many red flags. I don't recommend this deal. However, I don't want to tell you guys what to do. At the end of the day, it's up to you to learn by your own experience, and that is always the best way to learn. If it feels right to you, then by all means, go and do it. Okay, but I'm not endorsing it. Anyways, thank you for watching my markettrip.co review. I'll see you guys on the next one.